Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.
Continue for 5 kilometers.
So right now I am in Luana, St.Elizabeth. As you can see the sign ahead, welcome to Luana. Straight ahead you can go to Black River, Treasure Beach. If you make a right turn, we'll take you back to White House and Blue Fields. Yeah man, so we make a right turn. We're going towards Black River now, but may I show you some different little area.
In 300 meters, turn left onto Bustamante Street.
When you come to Luana, yeah man, so when you come to Luana, you can come to the supermarket and also have a juicy beef and also a Knoxford Express. Yeah, so no just no sweet Jamaica man. Yeah man, so Fire Reid take on around and make you know what go on. You don't really have to say yeah. Ask only a question some of the time. Just a giving an update. A sweet Jamaica, you know. So this is the Knoxford Express in Luana. You know, say Knoxford Express is a bus service that travel all over Jamaica. As you can see, Kingston, Montego Bay, Ochi, Falmouth, Negril, Savlamar, Mandeville. Yeah man, so just catching the ride for the Knoxford Express. If you now come from Montego Bay and want to go on a destination, just look up the Knoxford Express and see if you go a phone route, you know. Yeah man, so I make a right turn would take us to Black River. If I make a left turn would take us back to Holland Bamboo.
Continue for 4 kilometers.
So I'm driving on A2 in St. Elizabeth. I'm driving in the direction of the south direction. Man, so you know on your right, you know you have I think it's a Luana housing scheme. A lot of nice houses over there. minutes time we will be reaching like in the Black River Town area. It all depends on how fast you're driving. Yeah, but you know there's a cruise are gonna sweet. I think I'm now in this Spring Park area. So I'm gonna make a right turn. We'll take you all to Spring Park Meadows. Yeah man, so a lot of persons maybe never see Spring Park Meadows before, so giving a tour of Spring Park Meadows. Just a scenic peak.
In 150 meters, turn right onto A2.
So I'm gonna make a right turn on A2.
Next right onto A2. Continue for 2 kilometers.
So welcome to my channel, your Jamaican tour guide Fire Reid. So always remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos, and press all, so as soon as I upload a video you will be notified. So thank you guys for watching. Yeah man, so Ashton Guest House and Hotel. Yeah man, no say a long time.
In 600 meters, make a U-turn.
You can see a lot of mango trees. first back in the days, a lot of persons come to Ashton Guest House. A lot of wedding, no reception keep down here. Man, so as you can see the guest house up on the hill, so the gate kind of closed. So I'm gonna make a right turn. I'm still on A2. When I make the right turn, I'm going straight towards Black River. We are now entering Black River. Yeah man, so if we don't come on Black River and I want to the gas, yeah man, we can come up gas station right here so and get to the gas, you know. Don't think it's a 24 hours gas station. So straight across, that's where we would go to in Newtown, Black River. Take you all right back to Black River Hospital also. if I would take the right, I would go onto Lover's Lane, but I'm keeping straight. Heading
200
towards
meters, turn right.
Independence Park in Black River, St. Elizabeth.
Take the next right, then make a U-turn. In 500 meters, turn right towards Central Road.
So on your left, you have the Independence Park. Yeah, you know, so a lot of shows used to keep over Independence Park. But you know, a lot of things change, you know. On your right, you have the Black River Primary.
Take the next right towards Central Road, then make a U-turn. Take the next right, then turn left. In 200 meters, slide left onto Riverside Road.
very hot day. In Black River Town.
Continue for 1.5 kilometers.
Thank you for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.